Hi guys, hi everyone. Today is our first PMS. Luckily, Cherry Auto Philippines arranged the PMS for us. Supposed to be sa Cavite tayo. But since hindi kami makakalabas ng Metro Manila, they arranged the PMS to Cherry Auto Alabang. So, I'm going to Cherry Auto Alabang for our first PMS.
It's 1:26 Saturday, August 22. Our
Yes.
first PMS. So, we'll see you there. Go. Hey guys.
Hey guys, we're done with our first PMS. Ito yung parang receipt or coupon natin sa warranty booklet. If you're going to ask kung ano yung mga ginawa, please refer na lang to page 9 kasi nasa warranty booklet naman natin yung
Coverage.
mga coverage nung maintenance. Also, additional lang, merong anti-fogging or antibacterial, alam niyo na, in times of this pandemic. And also, kinabit na nila yung KN95 sa Tigo 8 namin kasi yung unit namin isa sa mga naunang lumabas, so hindi na ikabit kagad yon. So kino-ordinate ni Cherry Auto Philippines. Thank you Cherry Auto Philippines for arranging this PMS.
Yeah. Shout out
to Cherry Auto Alabang. And guys, thank you rin nga pala kay Sir Joey and sa Cherry Auto Alabang for the service. 2 thumbs up sa kanila. Ang galing nung engineer. Actually solo lang siya. 1-man team, pero hindi ko lang na videoan kung paano siya kumilos, pero makikita niyo dun sa mga unang video nito. Siya lang yung gumawa nun, and kabisado niya na lahat, and as per Sir Joey, nanalo pa daw yun sa Korea sa parang service engineer
Service Engineer of the Year.
Yeah, anyway, recommended din si Cherry Auto Alabang pagdating sa after sales service, and Cherry Auto Philippines, ayos yung after sales service nyo. Keep it up sana, until lumaki yung family ng Cherry Auto Philippines.
Yeah. So, what's the next?
May
PMS?
mga tinuro sa akin na features actually. Baka hindi nyo pa alam. Si-share na rin namin. Pinifigure out ko actually kung paano tanggalin yung gulong na spare tire natin, which is yung donut, in case na maplatan ako. So that's one thing na hindi na demo sa akin since dineliver yung unit, and hindi na kami nakapag viewing sa showroom during that time.
I guess, gawa tayo ng different video about that.
No. Sama na natin dito sa video
Sige.
para isa lang.
Later.
Okay. Okay guys, para mababa natin yung gulong, kailangan lang natin yung ito yung ginamit ni Kuya kanina. Yeah, this one. So kapag ito niloosen natin yung nuts, automatic bababa yun doon. Can you show it to them?
Okay na. Stop na.
So yan. Tuloy mo lang daw yung pag-loosen ng nuts dito sa loob, and kapag mababa na, hahatakin mo lang yung gulong. So balik na natin since hindi naman natin kailangan tanggalin yung gulong. Okay na ba?
Yeah.
Balik na ba? Okay. So ito yung mga tools na kakailanganin nyo, which is available na dun sa Cherry TG8 natin. Etong dalawang to. Alright. Thank you guys for watching, and that's our PMS in Cherry Alabang. Our next PMS will be 10,000 kilometers or 6 months. After 6 months. Yeah, hope you enjoy watching this video, and hopefully yung next video natin EV na. So para makasama natin